How to use Claude AI in VS Code. So first thing you want to do is install the Cloud Code extension. So basically open the VS Code, go to the extensions view and search for Cloud Code and install the extension which is by Anthropic. Then you want to get the API key. So go to the Anthropic console, navigate to the Get API Key section and create a new API key. Then you want to connect Cloud Code to your Anthropic account. So basically just open the VS Code integrated terminal, run the command and the extension will prompt you to connect to Anthropic. Paste your API key and confirm. Then select a Cloud Tree model from the available options. Then by using Cloud Code in VS Code, you can now interact with Cloud Code through the integrated terminal using this command right here, which is the /IDE to connect your IDE. Then, alternatively, you can also access the Cloud Code directly within the VS Code by clicking the Cloud icon in the activity bar or using the shortcut command. Then the Cloud Code will open in a new web view panel. Then you can view DIMs and accept or reject changes which is made by Cloud directly in the VS Code. And that's how you can basically use Cloud AI in VS Code.